Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is hysterical. It is pronounced hys-ter-ical and spelt H-Y-S-T-E-R-I-C-A-L. Think high, H-Y, then S-T-E-R, and then the letter I, and then cal, C-A-L. Hysterical means someone or something that is excessively emotional, irrational, or overwhelmingly emotional. It's a way to describe someone who is laughing or crying excessively or displaying other strong emotions in an uncontrollable manner. For example, you could say, the comedian's joke was so funny, the audience became hysterical. Or, he became hysterically upset when he heard the bad news. The word hysterical comes from the Greek word hystera, which used to be associated with the idea that women were particularly prone to emotional outbursts and irrationality. In the Victorian era, women could even be diagnosed with hysteria by doctors. Today, of course, we know that anyone can be hysterical and prone to emotional outbursts and irrationality. In the Disney movie Inside Out, the character of Bing Bong is portrayed as overly emotional and, at times, hysterical, with both excitement and sadness. Synonyms for hysterical include excessive, irrational, uncontrollable. Antonyms for hysterical are calm, collected, and composed. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, hysterical. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.